Welcome to the Dealership System tutorial. In this video I will show you how to configure your project and how to add new vehicles to the dealership. First of all, I'm going to create a new level so we can start over from the beginning. Okay, now that we are at a new level, if you migrated the asset to your project, you will have to insert the game instance in your project settings. If you are using the asset as you downloaded it, then you don't need it because it is already inserted. So, let's go to Project Settings, Maps and Modes, and at the bottom we will add our BP_game instance. Let's add a player start so that our character can spawn, and then add our game mode in the World Settings tab. Okay, now that we have everything configured, we can start dragging our necessary actors to build our dealership. As you can see, here on the right side, when you click on the actor, we have some variables that I have already exposed to make it easier for you. If you expand the S_vehicle info tab, you will notice that you have many options to configure your vehicle. Actor, I'll start by adding a vehicle. In fact, we will create a new vehicle so you can understand if you want to add other vehicles other than the default ones. I will create a child actor from our master vehicle. Since I don't have different vehicles, I'm going to use colors to simulate as if they were different. If you have other vehicles, you can insert your skeletal meshes here and configure other aspects of your vehicles. Now that we have a new vehicle, let's add it to our actor so that it is available so we can buy it later. Note that you have a custom color. This is because as I don't have other meshes, I am already using colors manually, but if you have a car model, you can choose the color you want through here. The color chosen will be the color that will be sent to your inventory after purchase. If for some reason your vehicle information does not update, I left a button exposed for you to force the update. Our vehicle is configured, but we haven't added the car brand icon, so we'll add it in a moment. You can choose any image you have, it will automatically adjust to the required size. Now let's configure the seller, which is very identical to the display vehicles, but as this is through an interaction menu, we will have to add photos of the vehicles so we know which one we are buying. Note that at the seller you have an array that can add the number of vehicles you want without limit. Our seller already has a vehicle for sale in his catalog. I will change the color and the name of the display vehicle so that we can see the differences when we ask the parking lot guard for our vehicle. It's a simple and useful system that you can use in your game if you want to have a vehicle purchase system with inventory. You can exchange the guard for any item and place it in your garage to spawn vehicles if you prefer. I did it this way because it reminds me a lot of the game Sleeping Dogs, but you can do it your way. See you in the next video.